Crypto trading. Demystifying crypto trading, a beginner's guide to safe entry. This guide helps you navigate the digital currency landscape securely and confidently. Trading involves risk. This is for educational purposes only. Cryptocurrency. What is crypto? Decentralized digital currency using cryptography for security. Blockchain tech, immutability and transparency are key. Key terms: Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, exchanges, wallets. Market cap, $1.65 trillion as of October 2024. Choosing a secure exchange, research and reviews, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken are top exchanges. Security features: two-factor authentication, cold storage, encryption, insurance are important. Geo-availability: ensure exchange operates in your jurisdiction. Trading pairs: liquidity affects execution speed. Setting up your wallet, custodial wallets, exchange hosted, convenient, less control. Non-custodial wallets, hardware, ledger, Trezor and software, MetaMask. You own the keys. Private keys. Keep them offline and never share. Research and due diligence. White paper. Understand project goals. Tech. Team. Verify credentials and track record. Community. Assess support on Twitter, Discord. Red flags. Avoid unrealistic promises. Dollar cost. Averaging. What is DCA? Fixed amount regularly, regardless of price. Benefits: reduces risk, removes emotion. Example: $100 every week instead of $1,000 at once. Strategy: effective for long-term accumulation. Key takeaways and next steps. Recap: prioritize security, research, start small, stay informed. Resources: CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, Coursera, Udemy. Learning: crypto is constantly evolving. Ongoing education is crucial. Q&A: open the floor for questions.